The collector, the SP, the sub-inspector, the policeman, they want to be seen being partial, being part to the entire ongoing revenge on Dalits.
With the Hathras rape incident sending chills down everybody's spine across India, we have with us today a Dalit ideologue and an author and a journalist to speak about the various complexities regarding the very incident in itself and how the media has covered it. Thank you, Chandra Bhan Prasad, sir, for joining us for this interview.
Yes, most welcome.
So there are allegations regarding the Hathras alleged rape, of course, murder incident that, that the attitude of the authorities is also different based on the caste of the victim and the caste of the accused. And that they would have never gone ahead and, cremated the body as they did at night.
The collector, the SP, the sub-inspector, the policeman, they want to be seen being partial, being part to the entire ongoing revenge on Dalits. They want to be seen that they are partial, they are against the victim. So when they are burning her, they are smiling because they think it's a victory. It's like a Olympic medal won four upper caste boys have brought to the upper caste homes.
Why would they feel happy about being seen as biased, sir?
Because they are also part of this counter-revolution. The collector thinks that he too is part of the counter-revolution and he is doing his caste and he is performing his caste duty.
Sir, so according to you, what is the Hathras, rape and murder case symbolic for in India today?
See, first let us talk facts. Facts are that in most cases that are happening from Gujarat to Uttar Pradesh, accused are upper castes, Savarnas. And if you see the way crimes are happening, the method mirror an exceptional kind of brutality. And whenever a Dalit man is killed in Gujarat or in Uttar Pradesh, it gives a hope to the upper caste people who may be illiterate, a constable, a judge, a vice chancellor, a physicist. When a Dalit is brutalized, it lightens the mood of the upper caste people from California to Kanpur. And this is a kind of counter revolution happening, and India is in that phase of this history, and many more Dalits will have to sacrifice themselves.
Okay, sir. Sir, would you know about Dalit representation in the police forces in India?
There are adequate number of Dalit officers and staff in police forces, but they are all now marginalized.
So, what is this Hathras, incident? What is that done for the debate around caste in India, sir?
Before, whenever caste order erupted, state tackled that, state disciplined that, state brought its own law and order. But now politics and caste, both the systems have got together, they have got merged under the management of BJP and RSS or whatever name you give. Why are BJP politicians on any new channel appear so angry? Why do they display their anger and frustration even in field? Because they think, as I would like to repeat, they think they got power bloody too late. Ambedkar, Nehru, Indira Gandhi has ruined caste order beyond repair. That is good for India, but that is bad for upper caste.
Can you explain to us, the equation between caste and politics as an expert on the field, that leads to atrocities against oppressed caste being ignored and sidelined repeatedly?
The caste and politics under the management of BJP, they have merged into one. The politics is now playing a role for the caste, not against caste. That is what is called Ramarajya, ya Hindu Rajya, ya Upper Caste Rajya, where caste must make a comeback. That is what Ramarajya is. Caste Hindus means those upper caste to whom caste comes first before Hinduism, and Hinduism comes before constitution and before nation. That is what Ramarajya is.
Within the revolution of the oppressed castes, of the Dalits, is there an adequate voice given to gender equality within the revolution?
Not much. Not much.
Is there anything happening on that front? Any kind of dialogue?
There is a dialogue, and gender equation among Dalits is much better than upper caste. Yet, gender equations among Dalits is not very fair and very high.
Okay. Okay. So that's something to work on as well.
Yeah.